Good morning. Today topic is modern manufacturing methods. Introduction to modern manufacturing methods. Right now, the global competitive, the customer expectations. So the manufacturer updating the processing methods by utilizing the new technologies IoT, AI based. Develop the next generation of machines and manufacturing methods. Introduction to manufacturing methods. The integration of advanced technologies into the manufacturing process. The main focus of increasing the efficiency, that means quality, quantity, customer needs based on the expectations continuously changed, and providing the more flexibilities in the manufacturing sectors on the customer sides, updating the automations and manufacturing component with high precision areas. Refer the use of advanced technologies, innovative techniques, producing the highest accuracies for the customer expectations and the global competitives. Need for modern manufacturing, global competitions and customer customizations. Demand for the high quality and lower cost. Sustainability and reduce the material waste. Material waste is one of the very losses in the industrial areas. So before the planning, definitely reduce the material waste cost and handling times. The modern technologies predict the quality and quantity and materials wastages. So the well plan helped to reduce the material wastages. Advanced, why manufacturing, modern manufacturing is important. First, zero defects. Utilizing the Japanese techniques inside the industries, based on 5S techniques, Seiri, Seiden, Seiso, Seiketsu, Shitsuke, implemented in the all area of including the shop floor, then domain concept, define, measure, analysis, improve, control. These type of techniques provide the details, providing to the operators, given repeated training to them. We expecting the high levels of qualities. Material efficiency is very essential. Automations controlled, providing the lot of opportunities to the employee. Training is a very essential. Every employee should be converted as a multi-skill persons, and manufacturing material should be eco-friendly. So these reasons we converted the modern manufacturing. Advanced technologies in manufacturing, robotics, CNC machines, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, smart sensors. Key enablers of modern manufacturing, digital transformations, real-time data analysis, connectivity and communication, cloud-based platforms, cyber physical systems. Computer aided designing, it will help to the employees to convert the drawings to programming. No need to writing step by step codes, and including the machines code and programming codes. Integrated the CAD and CAM. CNC machines we can utilize by using this CAD CAM. We can get a high productivity with high quality. Laser plasma technologies, additive manufacturing, because it is utilized in the various medical applications and aerospaces. 3D printing is very useful for the latest and advanced medical component manufacturers, and also zero reduction of workpiece by using the 3D printings. But it is only small drawback, we cannot utilizing in the mass productions area. Smart sensors, industries 4. Next one is applications. Digital design for product and precision digitally, aerospace area, medical areas, automotive, electronics items, defense and precision toolings. Build additive manufacturing, 3D printing, build the parts layer by layer from the digital model. Use the prototype and aerospace. Advanced speed, advantages means speed, complexity and customizations.